Played forward by Rochard towards Hasley, who flicks it on, and this is Sebastian Toux on Donovan Ricketts here. Sebastian Toux scores 3 minutes into his Vancouver Whitecaps debut. What a start for Vancouver.
Well, it's a lovely little ball up to Eric Hasley. Good movement. It's poor defending from Montreal, though. Just waiting for the ball, and Toux with that work rate gets across the front. A great touch to set himself, and good composure. He could have slid that ball across as well. Good little flick on. There's Toux. He gets across the front of the defender, settles himself, and side foots it home. What a fantastic start to his career with the Vancouver Whitecaps.